This custom-built home sitting atop an 8-acre grassy knoll boasts 64 windows affording breathtaking, panoramic views of distant mountains and rolling farmland. Built in the middle of a 600-acre, 6th-generation farm, the insulated barn, with studio loft, allows you to have your own small farming operation on this unrestricted property. Great for an Airbnb for large get-togethers or a perfect lodge/base for nearby outdoor adventures in Davis, Senecal Rocks, Hole and Canaan Valley for skiing, biking, fishing, kayaking, snowboarding and hiking. The home has Energy Star propane instant hot water systems and zoned HVAC for energy efficiency. Beautiful wood ceilings on main floor, wood walls on lower floor, which is plumbed and ready for appliances for second kitchen, and custom stairway remind you of workmanship of days gone by. The wrap-around sunroom beckons you to enjoy the outdoors from within. Off the kitchen is a walk-in pantry. The custom kitchen and bathroom cabinetry are second to none with custom lights and mirrors. The soaking tub allows you to view the surroundings of the outdoors from the third level of the home. The full basement has roughed-in kitchen, a full bath and space for 2 or more bedrooms, at least. The barn is insulated and has water and electric. If you don't want animals, it's practically an entirely separate living space. Or use the barn for animals and the loft above for your studio or office. You must see this beauty to appreciate all of the intricate details, down to the see-through fireplace between dining room and living area. Get pre-qualified and